Today we're taking a look at the weekly water change and maintenance of our new 15-gallon RDWC system. So let's jump right in and get things started. We'll start by draining the system. Opening the drain valve allows our water to be pumped out our drain hose. And closing our fill valve allows all the pump's flow to be directed out the drain. Once the system is fully drained, it's time to shut off our pump. Even when fully drained, we still have about 3 gallons of water left in our system. At this point in the grow, that 3 gallons that's left should be mostly water with just a bit of nutrients remaining. It would be great if we could completely drain the system, but that's just not possible at the height we have to install our bulkheads at. Normally at this point, I would start filling up a mixing container with enough water to refill our system. About 12 gallons in this case. Unfortunately, the only large enough mixing container I currently have is the 45-gallon can used to mix nutrients for our previous systems. I don't want to mix in such a large container, so we're going to mix directly in the reservoir this time. Now, I don't recommend this for new growers. It's always best to mix your nutrients outside the system. This allows your nutrient solution to be pH balanced before touching your plants. Luckily, this current crop is pretty resilient, so I'm not going to worry about that today. To mix up our nutrient solution, we're going to start with 13 gallons of fresh water. We'll also check our drain connections as well as our fill connections just in case. Now we will start adding our nutrients. Since we don't have any silica additives for this crop, we'll be starting with CalMag. We're going to let that circulate for a bit, then start adding the rest of our nutrients. Some grow, some micro, some bloom, and some beastie blooms. Now it's time to close up the reservoir and turn on the pH controller. Any extra nutrient solution will be added to our top-off reservoir, but we'll just be filling it with water today. Now we'll turn our pump back on and monitor the system. We'll double-check the pump connections for any leaks. If everything is dry, it's time to zip up the tent and move on to the next one. How long does a water change usually take you? Do you mix in your reservoir or in a separate container? What advice do you have for someone attempting their first water change? Let us know down in the comments. With the right knowledge, your first RDWC water change will be a breeze. And I hope to see you next time here on Show Me Hydro. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, harvest watch photos, and behind-the-scenes content you won't find anywhere else. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.